Can you imagine creating amazing images without having to use complicated programs like Photoshop? And the best part? It's easy and totally free. If you're interested, stick around because today on Wobblaby, I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to introduce you to a tool that's revolutionizing digital art creation, Leonardo AI. Whether you're a designer, content creator, or just someone who wants to experiment, with this tool you can create stunning images with just a few words. Let's find out how it works. Leonardo AI uses artificial intelligence to turn simple descriptions into actual works of art. That's right, all you have to do is write what you imagine, and the AI does the rest. Want some examples? You can write something like futuristic city at sunset, or dragon flying over a volcano, and within seconds, Leonardo AI delivers detailed, ready-to-use images. It's like having a professional designer available 24/7. Let's do a test. I'm going to ask the AI to generate an image of a cyberpunk-style superhero. We hit generate, wait a few seconds, and there you go for images ready to download. If you're not satisfied with any of them, just click generate again and get more options until you find the perfect image. With the free version, you get enough credits to generate several images a day. Each time you create an image, you use a few credits, but they recharge daily, giving you complete freedom to experiment without worrying about extra costs. You can adjust the styles, themes, resolution, colors, and more. And if you don't have access to advanced tools, don't worry. You can keep editing the generated images until they're exactly what you're looking for. Plus, you can upload reference images for the AI to draw inspiration from and create images in that specific style. You can also enhance low-resolution images using the upscaler option, or even animate the images you create. So far, I've only talked about the free features, but if you really want to take your creativity to the next level, Leonardo AI offers various memberships with more advanced tools. I encourage you to explore them if you're interested in getting the most out of it. Now tell me, what do you think of Leonardo AI? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more tools like this, don't forget to subscribe to Wobblaby. See you in the next video.